I think you can tell how bad your friend's alcoholism has gotten by how much they rave about Uber. Uber has revolutionized
Who's Uber? Who's Uber?
No, DUI.
Uber.
Who is Uber? Who is freaking Uber? Damn it!
All I have to do is tap my shattered phone screen. Gotta take an Uber everywhere. I live in the city. There's no parking. My friends always be like, hey, come over. There's street parking. No. Stop saying this. We live in a major city. You just stop saying there's street parking. What there is there's a space for your car. And then a pole with about 8 signs on it that all basically say, hey, never park here ever, idiot. But they never word it like that. It's always like, no parking between 6 and 7, no parking between 7 and 8, unless 7, 8, 9.